She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Winter break is now over and the kids are going back to school, so I'm doing a cute little kids hairstyle on Isabella to get her through this week of school. I washed her hair while she was in the bath, but her hair tends to dry up super fast. I'm going to start with detangling her hair using this Rizzles Curls detangling spray. This is the first time I'm working with this product. I'll also be using this kids denim brush. I'll link both products down in the description below for anyone who's interested. I felt like the detangling spray worked really well as a moisturizer than a detangler. It was pretty hard to detangle her hair with just the spray alone, so I went in and used my spray bottle and add some water to her hair. I like to detangle her hair when it's wet. That's why I tried to do it right after she got out of the bath, but like I said, her hair just tends to get dried pretty fast, and at this point her entire hair was already dried. So I'm just detangling it in little sections, starting from the bottom of the hair, so the tips of her hair, and working towards the roots of her hair. I think I'm going to go back to using this product. This is the Olive Oil Girls Leave-In Conditioning Detangling Spray, and I think I like that spray better. I know in a previous video I've said that it was just okay, but so far that's like the best detangling spray that's worked for her. But for now, the Rizzles Curl Spray is what we use because we ran out of the olive oil detangling spray. So now I'm just going to let you guys watch as I do this cute little hairstyle. Hope you guys like it. If you do, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace.